Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are well out there. If you are new to my channel, my name is Zainab and you are welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that red button down below and join this amazing family. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate. So today's video, we're going to be making this beautiful and yummy naan bread or bread naan. It's really easy, guys. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this ingredient that we will need to make our naan bread, but the egg yolk and white seed, also this black seed we will need later. Okay, okay, now I'm going to take a bowl and mix all the wet ingredient. Now I'm going to mix everything together and set aside. In 3 cups plain flour, we're going to add salt, sugar and yeast. Mix everything together and we're going to pour the mixture that we prepared earlier. I'm going to use spoon to mix until the flour comes together. Then I'm going to follow with my hands. Okay, now I'm going to transfer my dough to a clean working surface where I can be able to knead my dough nicely. And if you think your dough is hard, you can add some water. It's not a problem. It's what I did because I just felt like my dough it was a little bit more hard, so I just sprinkled some water to make it more soft. You have to knead your dough for about 8 to 10 minutes or until you feel your dough is nicely smooth. Okay, my dough is nice and smooth. Now I'm going to put it back in the bowl and then I'm going to cover with the plastic bag because I haven't got plastic wrap, guys. My plastic wraps are finished, so this also is not a bad idea. You can just put it in there and yeah, you're good to go. So guys, see what I'm talking about? So now you just have to leave it to rise for about 2 hours or until it's developed this size. Okay, now it's after 2 hours and this is how it looks like. Oh my goodness. So yeah guys, this is how it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to punch to remove the excess air that is in the dough. Then I'm going to transfer in the working surface. Then I'm going to divide the dough in 3 parts. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love line. Okay guys, so you have to cover the dough that you're not using with the wet cloths. Okay, this is the tray that I'm gonna be using to bake my naan bread. So I'm just rubbing some oil in it. Okay, now I'm going to flatten my dough. It don't need to be round because the tray that I'm going to be using is not round. You can make any shape that you want, the shape that goes with the tray that you're using. So yeah. After placing in the tray, we're going to cover and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's after 15 minutes now, and I'm going to prepare my egg yolk. Before applying egg yolk, I'm going to make holes in the dough so that when you bake, it will be able to breathe. If you don't make holes like this, it's going to blow in the oven, and we don't want that. And also this dot is going to give your naan bread a good structure. It will look beautiful, so you can make any design that you want. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to rub my egg yolk on top. Okay, now I'm going to add these white seeds, and then I'm going to follow also with black seeds. In 200-degree oven, you have to bake for 20 minutes or until it's light golden. Okay guys, our naan bread is done. Look how beautiful is that. So I make two shapes. There's round one and the one I make in the tray. So that's it for today guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give your sister Imes thumbs up, share with family and friends, and comment down below what you think about this amazing recipe. Thank you so much for